Hi everyone. Today we're taking a look at a gaming accessory, keyboard, mouse, and headset that I bought for my new PC. I got this off of Amazon, and I got it actually a few months ago. I think it was during the Amazon Prime week. There was stuff on sale, and I was looking for a new gaming mouse and keyboard, and this one also came with the headset, and so I thought, let me try it out. So this is the company. It's called Sportsbot. See if you can see that. So anyway, I'm going to open this up, and we'll take a look at what we got, and then I'll set it up and I'll show you what it looks like. So stay tuned. Alright everyone, so this is the PC accessories box I got with the keyboard, mouse, and headset. So this is the box it comes in. Let's just get it open. It's got a nice carrying case, kind of, you know. Here are some tech specs on the back. Take a look at that. So that's for the headset, the tech specs for the headset, and then there's the keyboard and the mouse. Both the keyboard and mouse are wired. They're not wireless. Fine with me. I sometimes find wired mouses to be more reliable than wireless, so let's get this open. Alright, so it comes with a little booklet on what you're getting, and then here is the keyboard. So I'm going to get the keyboard out. That is a nice keyboard. So these are not those chiclet style small flat kind of keys. These are big keys, but they don't make a lot of clicking sounds when they're pretty smooth. Well, I'm gonna have to, game with it and then see how I like it. But that is the keyboard. And then over here should be the mouse, I'm guessing. Let's see what we got here. Yep, here is the mouse. Okay. Not bad. So here's the mouse. And this would be the headset. Oh wow, the headset is huge. That is actually really huge. The headset, it is heavy too. It's got a lot of padding. Got very thick padding. definitely feels like a noise cancelling headset. Like I can't really hear anything wearing it now. So I'm going to set some of this stuff up with my PC so you can see what it looks like. I do believe the mouse and the keyboard have lights. I think it's blue. I picked the one with blue color, so we'll see what that looks like. So here is the keyboard and mouse hooked up to my computer. They both have this the keyboard has this blue color. I believe you can adjust the brightness. That's off, and you can also permanently just turn it off, I believe. There we go. And it also has this kind of a breathing effect. So if I do that, it kind of does this. And then the mouse, actually the color changes depending on the DPI setting. So I don't know if you can see the color. This is the lowest DPI, and then as I increase it, you can see the color will change. And then the headphones don't light up or anything. So I don't know if I've showed you, but this is my new PC. It's the Lenovo T540. But yeah, I just made this video to show you the laptop accessories, which I just unboxed. Thanks for watching, everyone.